Brainy Buddies! It's your friend Nova, and today we're going on another super fun science adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! Whoa! Look at that big mountain puffing smoke! Have you ever wondered what's hiding inside a volcano? Deep underground, something hot and bubbly is building up pressure, just waiting to burst out. Deep inside the earth, rocks get so hot that they melt into a glowing liquid. This is called magma. Magma is melted rock. It slowly rises up through a tunnel inside the volcano, looking for a way out.
When the pressure gets too big, the volcano erupts. Magma bursts out the top, and once it's above ground, we give it a new name.
Lava! Quiz time! What do we call melted rock once it bursts out above ground? That's right, lava! You're erupting with smart ideas, Brainy Buddy. Great job learning something new today. Come back next time for another wonder-filled science fact, Brainy Buddies.